Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
While Ukraine is waiting for the start of the negotiations with Russia, they continue to burn Russian refineries. Strike drones attacked an oil refinery near the village of Ilsky, the Seversky district, Krasnodar Krai. According to the publication, the attack on the Ilsky oil refinery was reported by local residents. At the same time, locals told SHOT that a series of loud explosions were heard in the sky around 1 a.m. According to their information, the drones were probably shot down and the wreckage fell near the Ilsky oil refinery, causing a fire to start. Later, emergency services arrived at the scene and began to localize the fire. There is no official confirmation from the local authorities. A video of a large-scale fire is being circulated online, which is being presented as a fire at the Ilsky oil refinery, but it is currently impossible to confirm that it is the refinery. The Russian Ministry of Defense announced the interception of 24 drones over Krasnodar Krai and the destruction of a Neptune MD guided missile over the Sea of Azov. The Ilsky refinery is located in Krasnodar Krai. The company receives, stores, and processes hydrocarbon raw materials and ships petroleum products by road and rail. The last time the Ilsky oil refinery was attacked was in February 2024. An explosion was heard at the scene and a fire broke out at the plant. In addition, in May 2023, tanks with oil products caught fire on the company's territory as a result of a drone attack. The fire at the Ilichevsk refinery spread over an area of 400 square meters. It took 167 people and 37 pieces of special equipment to extinguish it.
Здесь над поселком летит. Мимо нас. Ебать!
Meantime, in Kuban, the Russian Kropotkinskaya oil pumping station was decommissioned after a massive attack by attack drones. On Monday, February 17th, the largest oil pumping station of the Caspian Pipeline Consortium in Russia, Kropotkinskaya, was attacked by drones. Kropotkinskaya oil pumping station has been decommissioned. Oil is being transported through the Tengiz-Novorossiysk pipeline system at reduced pumping rates, bypassing the oil pumping station, the consortium said in a statement. The facility, located in Krasnodar Krai, was struck by 7 drones with high explosive warheads, which attacked with a significant time interval. The attack was carried out with a time interval to not only disrupt the operation of the facility, but also to cause casualties among the station's operational staff. There were no casualties among the personnel of the oil pumping station. The consortium employees managed to prevent the threat of an oil spill by coordinated actions, said representatives of the Caspian Pipeline Consortium. Kropotkinskaya is a 16.5-hectare oil pumping station, with a tank farm of 140,000 cubic meters. The facility was commissioned in 2002. The oil pumping station is part of an international trunk pipeline that transports oil from large fields in western Kazakhstan and Russian offshore Caspian to the Novorossiysk Sea Terminal. The 1,511-kilometer-long pipeline starts at the Tengiz field, passes through the Adarau region of Kazakhstan, then 4 regions of the Russian Federation: the Astrakhan region, the Republic of Kalmykia, Stavropol, and Krasnodar Krai. The pipeline leads to the Black Sea coast, where oil is loaded onto tankers and exported to other countries at the sea terminal near Novorossiysk. The system is the main export route for Kazakh oil. It accounts for more than 80% of the volumes pumped through the pipeline from Kazakhstan. It is known that in 2024, the CPC had transported 63.01 million tons of oil through the system. And that's not all. This one is a bold target. The latest enemy S-350 Vityaz air defense system was destroyed in the Donetsk region. The estimated cost of such an air defense system is about $135 million. The S-350 Vityaz is a modern Russian medium-range surface-to-air missile system designed to replace older systems like the S-300PS and Buk M1. Developed by Almaz Antey, it is intended to provide improved air defense against aircraft, cruise missiles, and some types of ballistic missiles. The system was first unveiled in 2013 and officially entered service with the Russian Armed Forces in 2019. It is designed to operate alongside more advanced long-range systems like the S-400 and S-500, filling the gap between short-range systems like the Pantsir-S and strategic air defense systems. Trump said he could meet Putin in Saudi Arabia very soon. Asked if Zelensky will be involved in conversations, he said, yes, he will be involved. Funny how that even is a question.
Do you expect Zelensky to be involved in these conversations? What will his role be?
I do. He will be involved.
Russian propagandists. But it's nice to know that Europe planning to fight us, yet they don't have a nuclear umbrella. So Lisbon, what other choice do we have?
This suggests that our leadership, having allocated the largest funds now for the military-industrial complex, understands that this is not the end. It can fall apart at any moment due to the Europeans. Something might go wrong with them. The British provoked them. Yes, they say so. Yes, that's why everything is fine. Lisbon. What are the offshores? Berlin. But it's nice that they plan to be with us and they don't have a nuclear umbrella. Well, there's Macron there, sort of, with the British. Will he want to? They have nuclear bombs, but no nuclear umbrella. There is nothing comparable in quantity or anything else. And the main thing is, will they launch them with a rocket? How will they deliver them? Well, yes, indeed. What about us? It's Macron. He will come up with something.
Already 24 Ukrainian aspiring pilots have undergone initial training in the United Kingdom. The RAF hopes to train 20 per year. The trainee pilots will then leave for France in spring 2025, where they will continue their training for 6 months on faster aircraft Alpha jets, also used by the Patrouille de France. Then they will go to Romania to actually fly the F-16s. For 6 months, the 10 Ukrainian soldiers will be trained by the Royal Air Force, who will teach them the basics of navigation and flying on combat aircraft, as well as the basics of English as part of the Interstorm program. On this freezing Monday in February, at this airbase in the east of the Midlands, the dozen Grob Tudors, small German-made training aircraft used by the Royal Air Force to train its pilots, remain well aligned on the ground. The cloud cover is far too low to fly. The Ukrainian student fighter pilots trained by the British are busy with other tasks. In a study room, young men with youthful faces and pilot suits are refining flight plans on large staff maps. There are about 10 of them in all, and they make up the 4th cohort of Ukrainian soldiers trained by the RAF as part of the Interstorm program, an international effort launched in early 2023 by the British and the Dutch and organized at the NATO summit in Vilnius in July 2023 to train Ukrainians to fly American F-16 fighter jets. The Belgians, Danes, Romanians, Americans, French, and Portuguese joined in. The British had no F-16s, so they took charge of the first phase of the training, learning the basics of navigation and flying fighter jets and learning English.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.